He's right above me, Charles.
Yeah.
He's in this tree. Oh, from behind, one more.
In the house?
Fucker was in the tree. I'm dying. Ass.
Goodbye. Goodbay.
Yeah, it's different.
If you can't take it, don't dish it, bitch.
What are you talking about, man? You're fucking out. Kid, yo, listen, I did take it, and I didn't say a fucking word, right?
2 balls makes balls.
Zach, kill this guy so I can get a weapon.
I got balls to kill these motherfuckers, though.
I like it.
They have no idea where we are.
What a shit show here.
Can't get that shit.
I have one bandage, Z. Okay.
Don't help him out.
Charles?
I can't. I'm gonna die.
Here, yeah. Go.
Go, Scott.
Good shit, boys.
Here you go, Sean.
Get that guy leading.
Think, what are you playing right now?
Steve.
Jeez, why'd you say it so loud?
Dude's really on the terrain, Jesus.
Because I said it like fucking 5 times already. He
He
asked
said
me
it
that
like he was in a
so many
wingsuit
times.
or something. Steve.
What are you playing right now? Steve, like, fuck.
Would you like me
Yes.
overlay?
Oh no.
Baby.
You had to go to the best team.
Shut the fuck up. Like that shit. That's all I need to hear right now. I was dirty though.
I'm dead.
Not today, bro.
Are you kidding me, dude?
I'm just gonna go deep there.
Crawling towards the truck, Scott.
Oh,
Let's go,
I
baby.
got all his elimination shit.
Actually, I don't know if Scott's good. I mean, I wouldn't go that far. He's fucking 10 in the bag.
10? Wait, you're drinking, Scott?
So is he
There it
he
is.
pulling the tank?
but I beat him in
Yeah.
game.